gonna get a cow kitchen cream puff. Oh yeah, we're gonna get something. It's sold out. Oh no, we can't get it. It smells so nice and buttery, but he's making them there. But no milk pie, milk cheese. Arimasen. Oh, arimasu. Oh, they have. Hitotsu onegaishimasu. You want chocolate or? Kochira. Hitotsu. Ah. So it smells so buttery. That's why we wanted it. At first it said sold out, but nope. They have one. Homemade special treat. Cow kitchen. So it's 380 yen for one of these. Very nice. Stand here and let's eat it right here. And they have milk cheesecake. It just smelled so good when we came by. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. It's a cream puff. One is chocolate and one is vanilla. And that's...
it's like a pastry, like a croissant.
Oh, it's like a pastry croissant. Yeah. There it is. And they're making it there. And they're baking in there. And it's their first one for the morning. That's why it said sold out. They made a new batch. So that's great. Now I'll give it a little taste test. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, pretty crispy.
This is like the layer.
Oh, yeah.
Pastry.
Give it a chomp. Get in there. Did you get to the cream yet?
No.
Not yet. Pass it to me after you get to the cream. It smells really buttery. Okay. Gonna try it now. Let's see. Yeah. Really nice. Of course. I love sweets. Yeah. That's really good. Well, more food adventures. Keep watching.